The camping grills are small, portable, and pack away easily, but they must have ample grilling space and be built to last and perform well. Food is placed on a griddle or grate with a camping grill, and the flames cook it. You can grill veggies, steak, and hot dogs over the fire. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best camping grills. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Cuisinart CCG 190RB Portable Charcoal Grill. The Cuisinart CCG 190RB Portable Charcoal Grill is a great option for someone not looking to break the bank on their camping grill. This grill is lightweight at just 2 pounds, making it a great option for transporting. It features a dual venting system, giving you the ultimate charcoal management and temperature control. The grill features 3 secure lid locks for easy and safe transport. It measures 14 by 14 by 15 inches and weighs only 2 pounds, making it easy to transport and ideal for decks, patios, balconies, camping, tailgating, and more. It also features a durable enamel-coated firebox and a convenient mess-free ash catcher for safety and ease. With 150 square inches of cooking space, you still have room to create a delicious meal for 2 to 4 people. The short legs make it easy to pack and fit into tiny spaces. The dual vents on the lid allow you to cook low and slow or crank out high heat for searing burgers, steaks, and veggies. Number 6. Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. The Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill is a super cool rectangular-shaped charcoal grill that can go anywhere. Its packable shape and compact size mean you can easily store it without using it. Its plated steel foldable legs pivot to lock the lid during travel, with a handy carrying handle on top. It ensures that you can carry it around securely. It measures 12.2 inches by 21 inches by 14.5 inches and only 14.5 pounds. It may seem small, but it offers a respectable 160 square cooking surface, enough to cook a good 6 burgers or up to 4 decent-sized steaks. With grates made from nickel-coated steel and a porcelain enameled steel body and lid, it is easy to clean and durable. The grill's ventilation system consists of 2 vents on the top and 2 on the sides. These allow a very workable and decent way to adjust the temperature while grilling. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG 180T Portable Gas Grill. The Cuisinart CGG 180T Portable Gas Grill is easy to set up, move, clean, and store. You can take it anywhere from the beach to your favorite campsite, then to tailgating parties and picnics. It measures 16.5 by 16 by 13 inches and offers 145 square inches of cooking space. It is enough to cook a meal for 2 or burgers and sausages for 6. This grill is designed to heat up very fast. Its 5,500 BTU stainless steel burner doesn't waste heat or gas and is a durable material built to last. It has a drip tray to catch runoffs and grease to avoid flare-ups and for easy cleanup, as well as a lid latch and carry handle to keep it closed and easy to carry during transport. Its folding table base is a nice touch, raising it for use to prevent it from burning any surface it's placed on while keeping it portable for its intended use as a grill on the road. Number 4. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. The Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill features the same porcelain enamel steel construction, which provides excellent heat retention and durability. Its stainless steel grates are easy to clean, and they heat quickly. The compact size, larger grilling area, and convenient carry handle are perfect for any weekend getaway or a spontaneous day at the beach. The significant differences between the Jumbo Joe and larger kettles are its shorter legs and the absence of an ash management system. It has an easy-to-clean tray at the bottom for collecting ash that fits that need. The 18-inch grate provides 240 square inches of cooking space, and the grill is large enough to easily use direct or indirect heat. Its feature lacking in larger models that we like is the hinged lid, which not only locks the cover in storage or traveling but also keeps you from finding a safe place for the lid while tending to food on the fire. We wish all kettle models came with this hinge. Number 3. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill measures 16.5 by 40.9 by 24.6 inches high, weighs only 30 pounds, and provides 189 square in of cooking space with its porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and cast aluminum lid and body. It is fueled by 14.1 or 16.4 ounce propane cylinders, and it heats up effortlessly with the simple push of a button and, more importantly, grills your food evenly. It comes with a single 8,500 BTU burner with a control valve that allows you to adjust the flame easily. This temperature gauge is built in, giving you greater temperature control. With the Q1200, you also get 2 folding side work tables, perfect for holding your spices and sauces or for a little extra space to work from. Its heavy-duty construction means it will be a while before you have to go shopping for a replacement. The flip side is that this very sturdy construction makes it quite heavy. Number 2. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Propane Grill. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 Propane Grill features sturdy quick-fold legs and 2 wheels for hassle-free setup, takedown, and transport so that taking your grill on a camping trip or to a tailgate is easy. Push the InstaStart ignition button for matchless lighting, then select your heat with the enhanced temperature control of 3 independently adjustable burners, outer left, inner, outer right. With a range of grilling power from 3,250 to 20,000 BTUs and 285 square in of cast iron grill grates coated in porcelain, you'll wow your friends and family with an array of perfectly cooked meats, seafood, or veggies every time. If you're looking for more meal options, the swap top interchangeable cooktops let you switch the grill grates with the griddle or stove grate, both sold separately. With 2 sliding side tables to keep utensils and sauces handy, cooking with this grill is just as convenient as traveling with it. Number 1. Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill. The Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill versatile design lets you grill and stove at the same time, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or any other outdoor adventures. With up to 20,000 total BTUs, it offers powerful and consistent performance even in extreme conditions, and its perfect heat technology ensures more efficient cooking with less fuel. Boasting 2 adjustable burners, it allows for precise temperature control, enabling you to sauté veggies whilst grilling chicken simultaneously. All these features are packed into one compact design that sets up easily wherever your culinary journey takes you. A grease tray collects the grease drippings from cooking and is removable for mess-proof disposal. All of the mentioned product links will be available in the video description box. You can find more information about each product and where to purchase them for a good price down there. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Till next time.